Over 6,000 studies have shown that bovine colostrum plays an important role for the human immune system. However, not all colostrum in the market are the same. Elken ELG6 colostrum is one of the best sources of colostrum to enhance our immunity. It consists of two types of packaging, capsules or chewable tablets to meet different consumer needs. Elken ELG6 colostrum goes through 14 stringent production processes to maintain 100% bioactivity and provide one of the best sources of colostrum in the market. 1. Collected from A-grade cows certified by the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, the cows are raised in an unpolluted environment and given the best food composition to ensure the production of the highest quality colostrum. 2. To ensure the colostrum is high in immunoglobulins, immune factor, and growth factor, Elken ELG6 colostrum is collected from the excess colostrum produced during the first day of milking only. 3. All manufacturing operatives conform to strict dress codes which adheres to good manufacturing standards. 4. Elken ELG6 colostrum applies flash pasteurization technology and low-heat drying technology to protect the bioactivity of the ingredients while removing all harmful pathogens in the colostrum. 5. Elken ELG6 colostrum's exclusive agglomeration technology provides superior solubility. 6. Each batch of Elken ELG6 colostrum is thoroughly analyzed and tested by using AOAC and other approved testing methods to assure its quality, efficacy, and safety. 7. The tableting machine comes with preset humidity and temperature, with up to 220,000 tablets produced hourly. 8. The tablets are then cleaned by the deduster machine before being bottled. 9. During the tableting process, sampling in-process tests are carried out every 15 minutes to ensure the consistency of tablet dimension and firmness. 10. An advanced integrated packaging line produces up to 6 bottles of Elken ELG6 colostrum every minute. 4 counting machines will then dispense the accurate number of tablets into each bottle. 11. Random quality checks are conducted every 15 minutes. 12. After the bottles are securely fastened, it will then pass through the final check, weighed, and labeled. Bottles that do not meet the accurate preset weighing standard will be rejected. 13. QC inspectors conduct random inspections of the finished product and perform regular stability tests to confirm its safety for consumption throughout its 3-year shelf life. 14. The finished product is stored in Elken's Global Logistics and Distribution Center, the first green distribution center in Malaysia with a Green Building Index (GBI) gold rating for non-residential new construction. NRNC. Elken ELG6 colostrum. The finest colostrum to benefit you and your family every day.